Hi kids! Welcome to Kids Learn Basics. Are you ready for today's learning adventure? Great! Today, we're going to learn to read new basic words. 3-letter blending. That means we're going to put together the sounds of 3 letters that each one makes. It's so easy. So what are we waiting for? Let's blend. The first letter sounds are B, G. Bag, bag. H, T, hat, hat. K, car, car. H, ham, ham. D, t, dad, dad. You blended them well. Good job. Yes, just like that. You put together the sounds of each letter makes, and right away, you can build a word. Let's try again. K, t, cat, cat. Fan, fan. Jam, jam. Pan, pan. Can, can. Wow, awesome! You now know how to read. Now, let's try to read all the words that we built. Bag, hat, car, ham, dad, cat, fan, jam, can, pan. Congratulations! Job well done! Thanks for being present today. Please subscribe to this channel so you can catch up with our fun time learning adventures. See you later!